Jai Hind students, welcome to back in computer class. Topic is internet. In this tool menu in Explorer, Internet Explorer. The tool menu is a very important features allowing you to access the internet option, windows for home page, selection, security features, web permissions and other advanced Internet Explorer options. If tool menu is not present on the Explorer window, you can bring it on the window by right clicking over the topmost part of the Internet Explorer and clicking menu bar option to open. It will show the menu bar. Before that, we can check in our computer has Internet Explorer or not. How can you check it? Very simple. I want to sharing my screen to see. First, click on search window and type here Windows features, WINDOWS, Windows, FEATURES, features, and then click on here turn Windows feature on or off. Click on it. It will be take time, depend on your speeds, and it will be open. See, you can see easily here is given Internet Explorer 11, means in this computer it is available or installed in your computer, and check it. Check is here. It is already checked. So click on OK to open it. Now type here Internet Explorer. Yes, search in Internet Explorer and see there is a given Internet Explorer. Click on it to open. The first screen by default, what is inside, it will be open, and set up Internet Explorer 11. It is a depend on you to recommended site. Now you can see here it is a by default Microsoft company. Both are Internet Explorer. It is a update version of Microsoft Edge. Both are same. The advanced features in this. The logo has converted in this. You can see Internet Explorer is logo is here, and it is a Microsoft Edge logo is here. Both options are same. Features easy transition option to import your favorite and more quickly in both, and click on setting internet option. If you want to choose it by default, if you want to open your first page is Google, so you can type here www.google.com and click on apply and OK. Next time when you will be open this page or add new page, suppose I want to add a new page, see it is a depend on your Google form will be open, means if you have to click on home, say I have typed in that home, there is a given google.com. What you have to set in that one internet option, there is a given, it is a home page what you want. If you want to other, you can type here and click to apply and OK to open it. Now it is a by default. Whenever you want to open website, First is home page, or you can other search here tool menu. The tool menu is very important features allowing you to access the internet option, windows for home page, selection, security features, web permission and other advances. Internet Explorer, how can you enable in your Microsoft Internet Explorer? I want to share my screen. First open it, our browser, Internet Explorer, and then enable tool menu. See it, Internet Explorer, and click on OK to open what I have written already. In home page it will be open. Then after topmost right click, see there is a given menu bar, and if you have to check it, it will be shown in your tab. See now your menu bar is appear. File tab, you can form duplicate tab, new window, new session. Duplicate tab means same tab will be added. Suppose click on and duplicate tab, see same tab will be open. It is a duplicate. And next one, new window. When you have to click on new, a new window will be appear. See it is a new window, means there are two windows here. One is this side and second is this side. So there is two window. I want to close. Then after click on file and new session, it will become. See it is a new session for new window. Okay, from starting it will become. And then after, if you want to save as this website page and close the tab, if you want to close that tab which will be open, suppose there is a first tab is and second tab is here, and if you want to close it, you can directly click on the close tab or Control plus W, or you can file and close tab. Select that tab which will be open and which is selected, it will be click on to close it. Suppose I want to close this one from here, file tab and file menu, then after click on close tab, it will be. See now this tab opened, tab has closed. Next one, page setup. It is a depend on you. If you want to take a page from there, click on here. If any printer has installed in your this PC, to that there is a given by default letter. It is a depend on you. Choose the paper size, A4 size. Suppose I have choose. If you want to choose portrait or landscape, it is a depend on you which type content is there, and click on OK. It will be so that pages will be selected. And then after, if you want to take the print, you can easily Control plus P, or you can choose file menu and then after choose the print option and it will be print. Before that, it has confirmed to select the printer. If any printer is installed in this PC, your PC, it will be select the printer and click on print. How many pages you want, number of copies or pages, it is a depend on your contents, and click on print to print, take out your hard copy. Okay, next one, print preview means it option is the good for take the print out. Before taking hard copy, you can clear your copy is correct or not. See it is a margin has given, what content will be come in first page or second page, you can select from here, and you can decrease or increase also. Suppose you want to see this page has cut from that side, suppose I want to decrease, say this page will become only this side and margin has this. It is a depend on you. Choose the paper size, choose the first, you have to choose that one, it will come inside, and then after click on print and it will be, here is a print document means Alt plus P, it will be print your, and this is a portrait mode and it is a landscape mode. If you want to, it is a selected by default is portrait, and if you want to landscape, see your page will be print like this type. Paper will be take out, print on this type, landscape mode, and it is a portrait mode. Okay, I want to close this. And next one, edit. If you want to take the contents from this, suppose I want to copy this one. See, copy this one and click on to copy. And I want to paste it. Click on to paste it. Okay, select all means whole contents will be selected from here. Find the page number. Suppose you have to open any site and there is a given many pages, and you can find the page from that. View. Here is a toolbar, menu bar is here, favorite bar means which favorite bar, which site you have more time selected or where your favorite site is there, you can just click on that, it will be appear in this site. Suppose my favorite is this, I want to just click on here, I want to just write it a new page, click on here and sunbeamacademy.com. suppose I have taken, you can see easily I have to just open my our school site is here, Sunbeam Academy. I want to just click on star means it is a favorite for you, or you can bookmark it also. To click on to star. Now it is installed and turn on the suggest site. Whenever you want to just open, yes, see there is a favorite site is here. I want to close once again, close all tab. Once again I want to open Internet Explorer and see your favorite site is here. Say your favorite site is here. You can view and favorite site is here. See favorite site is here. If you have to uncheck, it will be disabled from this side. See, no favorite site is here, but you can from here also. When you have to hide that one views, there is a hide is here, favorite bar is hide, so you can find here favorite and choose the favorite bar. There is a given Sunbeam Academy, and from that side you can open. Now it will be open. Or you can, I want to just add new sites and close that one and click on home page. What will be open means Google. It is Google will be, because I have already typed in home page will open with google.com, and I want to once again add my favorite and see and check it. See, there is a given Sunbeam Academy, because this side I have already start and click on it to open. Yes students, Internet Explorer called IE is sometimes referred to as Microsoft Internet Explorer, MSIE. It is most widely used worldwide web browser. It is bundled with the Microsoft Windows operating system and can also be downloaded from Microsoft's websites. Internet Explorer has gone through various versions as many patches in response to targeted attacks on flaws in the programming of the application since its initial release. Part of the Internet Explorer, I have already explained it. Internet Explorer is a popular web browser that comes standard on many PCs. You know the basis part of the Internet Explorer Windows. You will be ready for web navigation, bookmarking and searching. Basic Windows button. Standard Windows operating system buttons are located on the top right corner on the Internet Explorer Windows. The four right button close Internet Explorer and middle button adjusts the window size, and the leftmost the three buttons maximize the windows. The Explorer button is a backward If you want to click on back and forward will be appear. See, it is a forward to Sunbeam Academy, and for that back to the about tab. And this is a 3 buttons: close button, yes, restore down, and minimize button. When you have to click on restore down, and now you can use maximize it. Once again say, this is the restore down. When you have to click on here, and now it button has changed into maximize, you can see. And it is the minimize to shrink your this open window, shrink it. It is a now shrink position. Click on it to open, and if it is a in position of that maximize, and then after you have to click on minimize, shrink, and click on it, it will be maximize, will be open. Okay, these are the menu bar: file, edit, view, favorite, tool, and help. It is a menu bar to show it. You can click on here and choose the toolbar, command bar, status bar also. If you want to check it, status bar, see downside there is a status bar is here. Which site is open? When you have to click on here, it will be so that site you can see easily. See, there is a given what status is going on that one. Privacy is here, policies, terms, settings, and this is the size of the zoom level. Web address field. The web address field locate near the top left of the window, so the URL of current page, otherwise known as web address. To negative to a new address, simply type it into the field. When you have to open, this is the web address bar where you have to type it to open it. If you want to click on any, if you want to open any website and learn the website address, so you can type here. Suppose in our school website is named sunbeamacademy.com, so you can write Sunbeam, because I have already typed, so it will be shown academy.com, and then press enter button to open. This is the address bar or URL location. It is the address bar, it is a URL location. There are many web browsers. First, Internet Explorer, update version, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Apple Safari. These are the popular web browser. Okay, Google Chrome. Google Chrome is an open source program developed by Google for searching and World Wide Web and running web-based application. Google Chrome has a very large worldwide usage share of web browsers, making it one of the most widely used web browsers. Quick search, upgrade tabs, powerful support for the type of web application are the unique features of Google Chrome. See, this is a feature of Google Chrome. It is a Google Chrome. Now you can see it is a symbol for Google Chrome. When you have to open, double click on it, it will be open. Yes, and select it. Web browsers, it is a Google Chrome. Web browsers is here. You can type or find to search engine and search it. Now this form is Google Chrome form, and close it. Now Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox is a free and open source web browser. The latest Firefox features include tab tabbed browsing, spell checking, incremental find, live bookmarking, a download manager, private browsing. Firefox run on various versions of GNU Linux, Mac OS, Microsoft Windows, and many other Unix-like operating system. I want to show the Mozilla Firefox symbol icon is there to open it. See, there is a in my computers, my PC, there is a given Firefox, Mozilla Firefox. Double click on it to open. In my PC, it is a lowest version, and now it will become updated version. It is the first screen of when you have to open Mozilla Firefox. This page will be appear. It is a Mozilla Firefox web browser. Yes, see on this features is there. Yes, available now for the Windows, Mac, Android, iOS and Linux also. Yes, many features are there. It is a home page for that. It is a refresh, a reload. It is a back button, forward button, and it is a back button, and many others. One is there. History is here, and so slide bar type, user, Firefox account user, YouTube, and many others for that. These are features for this: sign in, protection dashboard, new windows, new private windows, restore previous session. It is a many features are there. I want to close it. It is a close. This is also maximize, and it is a minimize. These are the tab for that to open new window. Yes, this tab is here, and you can add for new tab. Opera. Opera is web browser and internet suite developed by Opera Software. The browser handles common internet related tasks such as displaying websites, sending and receiving email messages, managing contacts, chatting on IRC, downloading file via BitTorrent, and reading web feeds. Opera is offered free of charge for personal computer and mobile phone. Opera is offered free of charge for personal computer and mobile phones. Apple Safari. Apple Safari is a web browser available for the Macintosh and Windows operating system, as well as the iPhone, iPad Touch and iPad. Apple Safari browser use the WebKit engine, which is responsible for functions like displaying graphics, rendering fonts, running JavaScript, and determining page layout. Now, net surfing. Net surfing means the different page of a website using a web browser on the internet by entering the address of website in the address bar of a web browser program. Your computer is connected with the remote computer and you can go through various pages. Internet is a worldwide network that links together millions of computers. Internet is used to get information, have fun, get education, communicate, and do shopping. An internet browser is a software program that enables you to access and surf the internet. A website is a collection of related web pages. A web page is one area of the World Wide Web which can be an articles, an ordering page, or a single paragraph. Back icon will take you back to your previous page, and forward will take you to next page. Home page is web page that your browser use when it start, and home page is the first page of the website. Shortcut for what is the stand for this? www. www stands for World Wide Web. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Uniform Resource Locator. ISP, Internet Service Provider. ISP, Internet Service Provider. IE, Internet Explorer. Email, electronic mail. Web browser's name: Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Apple Safari, Opera, and many others. Web browsers are available. There are many search engines, and top 10: Google, Bing, Yahoo, Ask.com, AOL. These are the popular search engine. What is search engine? A search engine is a program that searches for an identities item in a database that correspond to keyword or characters specified by the user, used especially for finding particular sites on the World Wide Web. A search engine is a software system that is designed a search engine is a software system that is designed to carry out web searches, which means to search the World Wide Web in a systematic way for particular information specified in a textual web search query. Students, maybe you have understood. Take care. Bye bye.